we're going to Manchester and Liverpool.
Woo!
Hooray! We're on our way to the train station. It's not a set plan, really. We're just we're figuring it out as we go.
Improvise, overcome, baby. Interrupt this travel montage for some breaking news. I will now cut to Katie. This is Katie reporting live from Tori's vlogs. Our current train has been canceled for the night.
Our train to Edinburgh got canceled, check. Our train home is canceled. It's fine.
It's fine.
Everything's fine.
It's
So we are on a coach bus headed to Edinburgh with 2 stops along the way. Will it add 2 hours to our trip? Yes. Will we be arriving between midnight and 1 a.m.? Yes. Do we have class at 8:30 in the morning?
Do we have to take another bus for 45 minutes? Yes.
Is it gonna be a long night? Yes. For more updates, stay tuned and subscribe.
We made it to Edinburgh! Now we have to take another bus. It's almost midnight. We're back. Thank you for watching our crazy experience.